finally found it. Now who's gonna stop me?
I love this animation for many reasons. From the beginning, you're gonna start to see the overlap, the squash and stretch, the movement in opposite directions for the circle, the head moving up and the hands moving down. This is all great. But there's one part that I wanted to point out,
Found it. Now who's gonna stop me?
which is this one.
Now who?
You see the accent?
Now who?
Who's? So we had the accent in who's. Now who's gonna stop me? But then here he moves the head, he creates this accent without any words yet. So listen. See, the gonna comes later. He's actually anticipating the accent with the body before he says gonna. It creates a more intense feeling of where is the person that is gonna stop me. He doesn't wait for the words to come out of his mouth. He's actually anticipating. He's transmitting the emotion with the body first and then with the voice.
Together, we are going to stop that monster.
How? Look at us. We're adorable.
I love this animation. There are many subtle details that make it just excellent. The first thing you can see is how much the mouth drags when the head rotates. Look at this, the mouth drags. Then as the mouth settles, the head starts to rotate to the other direction, creating that beautiful overlap here. Then the hands make the gesture, creating even more overlap. Then the mouth drags, reaches the pose, and then this is beautiful as well. He goes for a squash here in the face, then leads with the mouth opening, then squashes the body, then leads with the eyes opening, and then stretches the body again, and then beautiful as the hands finish the circle, creating that beautiful arc here, creating boom, rotating, and back.
We're adorable. We're adorable. We're adorable.
You think I know every human being with a mustache wearing an identical outfit with a hat with the letter of his first name on it?
I love this animation, although it may seem that it's just a simple reaction, but there are subtle details that make it just excellent. So first of all, you can already see how he goes from a squash to stretch, then see how he leads with the eyebrows and then opens the mouth. See how he goes cross-eyed because he's in pain, so the eyes go whoa, as they stretch, the eyes go cross-eyed. And then notice how in the reaction, it's not just opening and closing. See how he goes from this line of action, this side of the face is closed and this side of the face is open, and then he goes and changes the line of action of the face, rotating the head to this side and rotating the jaw as well. So you can see how they both create the head and the jaw, they both create a visual arc, and then as the eyebrows and the eyes close, see how the mouth is still open but starts to close, and then the mouth overlaps and closes the last one.